Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott Wave theory. So as usual, this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investments. And finally, I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty as usual and then Nifty, right? So as I expected, as we already discussed, from here it has to make a fifth wave if it is that there is a confusions here, and I already explained that it could be the end of this wave one. And from here I expected that three-way structure, but in that US opening session and it's the closing on Friday, it deeper, it's around, it came to nearly 17,400 level. So maybe tomorrow it may be a gap down, or didn't know whether in the Asian session if it is bounced to the same level what we closing in that Nifty 17,600. So we have to wait for this. So as per the previous analysis in 1 hour and the 15 minutes, this is what I did is ABC is A, ABC is a B, and 1, 2. So this the C way contains a 5-way structure, and the third way is got extended. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4, and this is the fifth way. So if this is the end of the trend, means no need to again break this low. So it's already there, means so we need to change this wave count as a diagonal formation. So what is mean with diagonal formation? Each wave got wave ABC. So everything it is got in the three-way structure. So this is a ABC is a 1, ABC as a 2. So this one is a ABC as a W, X, ABC as a 3. So everything it is perfect. From here, this is the A. So if we move into the 15-minute chart, so this A is got completed, and this could be the B. Now this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3. So one more consolidations to the fourth and fifth. So 17,350 zone is also possible to complete this diagonal of 5-way structure here. So if we took this as a diagonal wave in that 5-way structures, if you look into the Nifty, so this will also, it may reach this zone, right? What I'm expecting in that nearly 17,300. So this could also reach this zone. So everything we already finished here. So now that support is already broken as per that SGX Nifty. So if we kept this as a Nifty, we have to draw the support line. So I'm expecting here in the zone of 250 to 300 zone. So this could be the next support zone. So I'm expecting here, right? So within this zone, it may again bounce. So here it looks like very aggressive 5-way structure. But in Nifty also, SGX Nifty also, it's looking like a diagonal pattern formation. But this is also called as a leading diagonal pattern to the downside. So for the fresh 5 waves here, beyond the correction part, so what I expected from here, it has to be in 3-way structure. Now it has to happen here. So from here, there is a chances for making another. So this is a 5 waves. After the 3 waves, one more 5 waves can happen. So that could be the wave 2. But if the market, it's very bullish, it can break this high. Okay, so later onwards, it can go above this high. From here, may or may not, if it breaks this high also, or if it breaks this high also, lot of chances for making an irregular flat in that wave 2. So there is a now possibilities. This is a fresh 5 waves, right? After that 3-way structure and one more 5-way structure like this. So that will be the zigzag. So this is the next support zone what we have placed. Whether it is going to make a support here or this is the maximum support of the next level. If we kept this as an Fibonacci expansion, expecting here, it is in this zone, right? So we may get here also the 17,000 mark also in the deeper correction. So that is why I have written in my the previous video, we are in that deeper correction. So if it is bounced from here, that may be a bullish, but here it is looking like a 5-way structures to the deeper. So I'm expecting only the 3-way structure, whether it can be like a zigzag or it could be a irregular flat pattern for the wave 2, and then from here it can be a wave 3. So this is my view in SGX Nifty for this week. I'm expecting may or may not reach this zone. If it is a regular zigzag, so within this, because from here 13th January, so if it is already reached here, means in that week around 10 days, 10 trading days it reached here. So the same 10 days it may reach this zone also, or it can go above the high also for the irregular flat formation. So whether this week may be a little bit bullish and the next week may be to the downside. Otherwise, if the whole the 2 weeks may be a full bullish and it can break the high or may not break this high also to make an irregular flat in the wave 1 and wave 2 in the irregular flat formation. So expecting the third wave. So usually if Israel started of that 5th wave Roman letter, wave 1 and wave 2 be usually the zigzag will appear only in that maximum times it's in that second wave. So this could be the second wave what I'm expecting. So there is a chances for the bounce for this week, and later onwards one to the downside is also possible. So you have to try to understand this formation. There is a chances for making an irregular flat also. Otherwise this is a zigzag formation also. So let's move on to the Nifty. That same view what I'm expecting. Tomorrow may be a gap down open nearly here it is a 438, right? In the Asian session we can't expect that it may be again to reach this zone, and the Nifty can be a flat opening also maybe. So after that in the Europe session it may be a downside. So 1 2 3 4 5. So once the 5-way structure is got completed here in that next support level here, and again I'm expecting the 3-way structure. So if it is a zigzag, we may expect only the 38.2 to 23.6. So 23.6 is if it reached in this zone, so 38.2 is 17,700. So that is also the resistant level for here. So we may expect the 38.2 correction if it is a zigzag pattern, and one more low is also possible. So 5 waves and then 3 waves, and in the zigzag formation we can expect the next bullish wave. So here I look it as a triangle, but it is not looking like a triangle because it's looking like a formation of the 5-way structure. So this could be the end of the 4th wave. Beyond the 5th wave, wave 1 is completed. Beyond the wave 2, the wave 2 may be a zigzag correction also. So one is from here, otherwise one is from here, the irregular flat formation, and then one more high for the 3rd wave it can start. So this is my whole analysis for this week. If I found that any time in between this week, and I will update my pre-market predictions. So apologies for that. Today itself I'm just busy, so I'm making that video not yesterday, and just today only, I'm Sunday, I'm uploading this. So we will see soon if I found a time to the pre-market predictions. Hope you enjoyed this whole week and have a lovely Sunday evening. So we will see you in the next pre-market predictions. Have a lovely week to start. Bye. See you.